What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we have a beautiful Bitcoin chart on the screen right now. $76,000. Yeah, you heard that number correct. We're not talking 66. We are talking 76. And I do want to tell you this, that historically speaking, election weeks have seen the lowest price moving forward that you will ever see again. Now, what that means is that we should not expect to ever see Bitcoin drop back down below $67,000, $66,000. Now that is a huge confidence boost for anybody that has been buying and accumulating, and you can go check those numbers for yourself, right? Roll back to 2021. Roll back to 2020. And you can see that November of 2020, we were sitting around $11,000 to $12,000. Never touched that level again because we only came down to 15. Same deal happened in 2016. The lowest that we ever touched again was about $700, $750. Came back down to 3,000. So if the cycle repeats itself, the lowest level that we should ever see, man, Bitcoin is high. The lowest level that we should ever see again, $66,000, $67,000. Shiba Inu coin performing phenomenally here. This is a weekly chart, and you can see that if we break back up above this level, 1,900 points per coin, SHIB could be retesting 3,500 points per coin very soon. So let's discuss that. Right, let's go out here and let's see what these analysts are saying about how large this roadblock is. This article goes on to say that the popular meme coin or meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu coin saw its quotes rise by 17%, reaching a multi-month high of 1,990 points per coin. However, as the token approaches the critical 2,000 point per coin mark, a major obstacle may be standing in its way. As Into the Block made known, the way for Shiba Inu coin token's price to 2,000 points per coin is dampened by a massive roadblock of about 11.5 trillion Shiba Inu coin. This volume is an amount of Shiba Inu coin tokens concentrated in 15,800 wallets, which bought this lot of SHIB in a range between the current price and 2,000 points per coin. As things stand, the holders of these tokens are currently experiencing losses. Such a conjecture creates substantial sell pressure for the popular meme-inspired cryptocurrency worth a whopping $215 million. The amount is equal to a third of SHIB's trading volume on the spot market right now. If the price of Shiba Inu coin manages to get this volume at loss absorbed, if the bullish momentum is still there, then enthusiasts and traders of the meme cryptocurrency may indeed soon see new numbers in its figure. All in right now, Shiba Inu coin is facing a major test as it tries to clear the 11.5 trillion SHIB barrier. It's not clear yet, but if it can keep up this bullish momentum, the situation that investors and market participants should keep an eye on. How the market handles the selling pressure could give us more insight into what the future price action for Shiba Inu coin could be. So what we're saying here is that 15,800 different wallets hold Shiba Inu coin between the current level of about 1,900 points and this level of resistance at 2,000 points. That's why we continue to, you guys can see it maybe a little bit better here. Over the last couple of weeks, we continue to wick up, pull back. Wick up, pull back, wick up. Every time we try to batter through this 2,000 point per coin level of resistance, people are selling. They're nervous, man. Maybe they've been holding Shiba Inu coin for a long time at 2,000 points per coin, and as soon as they see green, they decide to sell. Here's what happens when either they all sell and new buyers come in, or those that are willing to hold are buying. We break through, and it sets up a just fantastic level of support. From there, we break through 21, 23, 25, all of these little levels of resistance on our way up to test the major 3,500 point per coin level. And if we can break that 3,500 point per coin level, you guys better believe that Shiba Inu coin could have a FOMO rally in store like we have not seen since 2021. Guys, Bitcoin hitting all-time highs. Dogecoin ready to break out right now. The next catalyst is happening today. Now, just a couple hours from now, we're going to see the interest rate decision here in the United States. And as you can see, consensus is for a 25 basis point cut. Now, if it's confirmed, this may already be sort of priced into the market, but a confirmation is always good news. I am highly doubtful that we see interest rates unchanged. I do believe that we're going to see consensus at least, maybe even a 50 basis point cut. Why? What would trigger a 50 basis point cut, in my opinion? GDP in the last reading wasn't contracting, but it wasn't growing as fast as expected. And the fact that GDP is not growing is most likely needing a stimulus. And how do you stimulate the economy? Number one, you can inject cash into it. The government can buy back bonds. Number two, they can lower interest rates. So in order to see GDP continuing to rise at consensus levels, I believe that they should be lowering interest rates here. So I would expect at least a 4.75%, maybe 4.50%. Now is the time to accumulate, because if we continue to see positive catalyst after positive catalyst, the market is going to rip higher, and we are going to see FOMO rallies like we have never seen before. And if you guys have not been doing as good of a job accumulating as you should, check out the link in the description below for the KSEC centralized exchange. It's also in the pinned comment.